How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 64 LeMans convertible done in a gorgeous burgundy metallic, white top, super slick paint on the car. It's got a Butler Performance 455 in it with aluminum heads, 400 turbo trans. The bumpers all been re-chromed, grills are originals in excellent shape. Super slick, show quality paint on the car. All the panel fitment's real nice. The rear bumper's been re-chromed. Tell you, it's just a super clean car. All original body panels. Car had a frame off a few years back. We got it out of a private collection. Tell you, the thing just pounds the ground. Very nicely detailed. Got your power steering, got power front disc brakes. It's got the aluminum radiator in it. Just a super nice car, guys. Got a 400 turbo trans. Got 10-bolt posi with a 331 gear in it. So the interior is really nice. Factory bucket seat car. Got a retrofit AM/FM stereo system with iPod connector. Just a super nice car. Tell you, these 64s are really hard to come by. Got power antenna. Got your kickers there in the trunk. Nice sound and stereo system. You have to kind of bear with us. The sun keeps coming and going today. Pinstripes all painted on, real nice. Dash is all in excellent condition. Got a nice trio of gauges there under the dash. Fires right up. Good sounding car. Duals all the way out the back. I really like the Rev Classics on it with the gray center. Looks real good on the car. See, the power top works perfectly. Backup lights, everything works. Real zippy motor in the thing. Just pounds the ground good. Tell you, this thing just rocks down the road. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.